Driving the good old Ranger Danger with airbag delete for weight reduction and stuff, you know. She rips though. Alright, so I'm reaching out to the people of Instagram, and I was just going to see if there's any graphic designers out there that are willing to work with us and help design a few new t-shirt designs and get paid for it. Be sure to email us at goonzquadteam@gmail.com. Show us what you got. What's your favorite truck?
The Danger Ranger.
That's right. We're gonna cruise it. Got the action camera. I mean, it don't work, but you don't need that where we're going.
We catch the action with our eyes.
That's right.